so Glora. You need to be cute.
Sorry. Why do we need to be quiet?
Where's Kuan?
Sleeping.
Is he okay?
He's just really tired. It was really windy last night, Fia. Our beds were blowing all over the place, and the wind was so Glora.
Oh no!
I kind of liked it, but Kuan can only sleep when it's cute. He was awake all night talking, so then I got no sleep.
I wish I had a bed like that. It would feel just like sleeping on a floating cloud.
I didn't sleep last night either, Vlaheen. I'm too excited for a sleepover at my cousin's this weekend.
What's a sleepover?
You know, when you go to sleep at your friend's house, but you try to be quiet so you can stay up late and have a midnight feast.
Oh, a sleepover sounds like fun. I wish I could go too. I'm really, really good at being cute. Oh, you are not really good at being quiet. You're always reading Glora.
Come on, you're awake.
I was just watching your bed float in the wind. It looks so fun.
Do you not sleep in hanging pods too?
I wish. We just sleep in beds that don't move, in our bedrooms.
A whole room just for your bed? How strange. Oh, they sound arouse. I bet they don't shake about in the wind like ours do. Oh, imagine, Vlaheen. They must be nice and cute. Hey, I have a great idea. What if we make beds like Fia and Ameer have?
We can help you.
Maybe we can make some for ourselves and have a pretend sleepover.
Eraglin!
Yeah!
Achoo!
What do we do? Isn't it a bit too cute? Oh, it's perfect. Well, I need my magic harp to help me sleep.